Yep, there it is. There one there.
Boys and girls, these wilderness carts are greatness. I am.
Oh, hey.
And we tried a cheap old cart we bought from Academy. Heck, we didn't even pull it halfway out of the parking lot before we gave up. Went back to the truck. Buy your second cart first. Want to do a little intro or wait till we're on the water?
See? God damn.
You can't smell that.
Oh, it's rancid.
My booty blew up.
All right, welcome back to another episode of K2. Last weekend we went out to Trinity River. We're going to do it again. We're just trying to get a feel for the river, try different things, probably basically the same things, but
yeah.
I think we got a little bit bigger crankbaits to dive a little bit deeper.
See how many I can lose today.
Yeah, he lost a bunch, so I think I got one that goes up to 12 foot.
Mainly 8 to 12 and 3 to 6.
Beautiful morning. We're going to wheel the carts all the way down and get started. Yeah, it's just big enough the way I wanted it. A little wider, a little bit longer.
The new one?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Just gotta stay patient.
Patience is my middle name.
Oh, here we start with the lies already.
You dare to disagree?
Yeah, I do. Disagree.
Oh, yeah. Here goes the magic now. Gone off and let the kid make adjustments.
Till I see them adjustments working, I ain't gotta get real worried about it.
I'm waiting for that one where they just pick it up and slam it and run with it.
Yeah, I ain't had one like that most of the year.
Like that. Just like that. Oh, I can't complain. Can't complain for the first fish, boys.
I'm waiting for that one that
Switch. Switch the worms a little bit bigger. Oh, don't come off.
What color was your worm? Pumpkin seed?
Yeah, pumpkin seed with the chartreuse tail.
I may have to steal a couple of those.
The worm I used on the last video, you guys should go check that one out. We did pretty good on the crankbaits, but I was using this smaller worm, tequila sunrise, whatever it is. Now I moved to the larger worm. Not bad. Here you go. It's all about that chartreuse tail, buddy.
I'm actually wanting to get one of those from you here in a little bit.
Yeah. Normally I'd like to, but I don't have very many.
That's a brand new pack of 10. I already know what you got.
Pack 20, I think.
There you go. So you just tattled on yourself. Well, I was saying it's a brand new pack of 10 after you give me the 10 you owe me.
Oh, you jack.
No.
The swift kick in the buttocks. Get a good bite, you set into it, and it's like you're in a brick. It's like they grab it and they take it and hook it up to stuff. It's a terrible thing to do to a person. I'm just trying to catch you and put some hooks in your face. My drive's making some weird noises. Oh, great.
What?
I kind of crankbait or something in my drive. Oh, it's bad. Problem is, I got the line all in my propeller. I'm gonna have to take this prop off though. Almost. Oh, it's all in here, dude. I'm gonna lose some stuff. Yeah, it was in here bad. Yeah, that shear pin's gonna fall out if I ain't careful. Just a second.
Good. I'm good. I'll help you.
No, I don't need any more help. I just don't want you fishing when I ain't. I wasn't filming. All right, well, threw right in after fixing the prop. Got one. Didn't have the camera rolling, so But anyway, not bad. It's 2.
Deuce. Are you running with the bank or hitting the bank and coming out?
Maybe on the bank, and then one of them was kind of like, you know, a few feet off of it.
Wrong species.
The smaller worm was doing okay on the last video, but I wanted something a little bit thicker profile, a little bit longer. There's another bite going on, so. Yep, there it is. There he is.
I'm coming to that side, in front of you.
Yeah, you may want to switch. Oh, stay down. Oh, what?
Yeah, if I switch, I still ain't catch. I'll switch the side.
Something's working over here. Eh, dang it, he swallowed it. He's bleeding crazy. He's bleeding. I gotta get him in, but hey, he's not bad size, but I don't know if he's gonna survive. He took it pretty dang far down. Anyway, yeah, it's 3. Let's go. This worm is working. That little 6-inch, man, had no weight to it. Is there one there? There he is. He probably swallowed it too. Oh, nice. Not bad. Man, was that 4? On the pumpkin chartreuse? I'll take that. It's so light, man. All right, boys, that's number 4. Pumpkin chartreuse. It's working. Maybe it's a difference between this side and that side. But hey, let's go. That's 4.
Yeah, finally. You're pretty good. Dang, camera won't stay. First one of the days. Is that a... His mouth don't look very big for a big man.
It's, look at the markings. It's like a Guadalupe, or I don't know if that's a spotted.
Yeah, that's weird. First one of the day, boys. Took me a minute, but maybe that'll... That's not a largemouth though.
What is that?
I don't know. Is that rock bass? Oh yeah. Don't do that. Yep, come on out. Number 2. 2 to 4. Slowly but surely catching. Let it drop over that little log that was there. Not a bad looking little guy. It's not bad. There's a little submerged log there. It does this. I pulled it over the hoop and just let it fall. Oh, and he smashed it.
Slow. There he is, boys. Just sitting in that little hole right there. Yeah. And he was hitting it like he was a little crappie or something. Probably biggest fish I had today. Okay, you're making me upset. You're doing circles. There you go.
Not bad.
I'll take that.
Can't really tell because the bite's not right.
Yeah, the bite's just weird. That's not a bad fish right here. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. Number 5. That was awesome. That was just right in that little pocket.
Throw a couple more right back into there. That cut right there looks pretty good.
I fished it, so there ain't nothing in there, you know that.
Oh, you're gonna be embarrassed if I go in there and pull one out, ain't you?
You ain't getting one out of there. I'll give you $5 to get one out of there.
Now I gotta fish it just for spite.
I left it empty, sir.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
That's $100. That's $100.
I said $5.
Okay, that's $5.
Okay. Well, deal's a deal.
He's pretty nice.
He actually did. He's caught 2 fish all day.
This is the third one, thank you.
This is the third one, but he's caught 2 fish all day. I fished this. About $5, you can't get nothing out of here. So you're just a high priced, you know.
Yep. I'm good with
catch it for the money.
I'm alright with that too. Pretty nice, not bad. These little things fight hard. Down 2. Number 4. Little guy, but he counts. Little, but counts.
Looks like he got his 4th. Trying to hang with the kid. 6. Oh. You can't catch me, son. You can't catch me. You don't hope to contain me. Ah, he's not bad. On the way back, we're about to call it a day, but he caught one to get within 1. Just got one too right after that. So maybe this is just a good area, because I think that's where we're catching them this morning. Yeah, cool.
There he is. Got it. Double? No. No? What happened? It don't happen often to double up. That's 5. Ow! Number 5, ladies and gentlemen, catching up, 1 behind.
That oar is hot. And I said oar. All right, guys, well, that's it. Thought we had an outro, but I guess we didn't. I either lost it or we just didn't do one. I can't remember, but just wanted to pop in real quick and thank everyone from the bottom of our hearts for watching our videos. We've been having a lot of fun doing them. I've never imagined. We've been fishing together as kids, walking creek banks, using grasshoppers, that sort of thing. And now we are trying to figure out YouTube, right? And editing videos, and man, it's a lot of fun. So thanks to those that have subscribed. Thanks to those that may subscribe. Anyway, God bless, and you know it's time to hit that B-roll.